innovation in toast.
America runs on two things, coffee and gasoline, but this was not always the case. Before the early 1980s, America ran on cocaine and horse carriages. The popularity of home coffee makers skyrocketed with President Clinton's crackdown on cocaine in the US, and people desperately sought an alternative for their previous morning fix. More modern coffee drinks often include white substances that remind the drinker of cocaine, such as sugar and milk. The convenience of the home coffee brewer brought the business of the Colombian cartels into the average American home. In modern times,